So good morning children. So far we have discussed three lessons. So what are the lessons? Okay, first lesson atoms and molecules. Second lesson periodic classification of elements. Third lesson solution lesson. So chemistry fourth lessons types of chemical reactions. So one more lesson is bending. Okay, that lessons we will see in the next class. Okay, so new lesson types of chemical reactions. So all the terms already we have used in the 9th standard. Okay, types it means different. Okay, types means what ma? Different. Okay, chemical already we know what is mean by physical and what is mean by chemical. Okay, if you are taking any one of the substance, okay, just you see the color, shape, size and extraordinary alone, outside part alone, that is called physical. Chemical means okay, the substance is made up of what? Okay, how the electrons, protons and neutrons are present inside the substance or atom or element. So that is called what? Chemical. How the reaction will happen. So everything it will explain by chemical. Okay, reactions. So reactions means what ma? In between the two substance. Okay, in between the two substance, the transfer of the electrons. Transfer of the electrons. So that is called reactions. Okay, so during the reactions what will happen? During the chemical reactions, so what will happen? So before entering into this lessons, okay, just we want to know some basic things. Okay, suppose we want to run, we want to write or we want to speak something, we need energy. So where we will get the energy? So we will get the energy with the help of what? Food. The same way, okay, car also getting the energy from fuel. Okay, plants also getting energy from where? Soil, or we are supplying the fertilizers. So in this way each one getting what? Energy. Each one getting energy. Okay, the how the energy is formed. Okay, either the formation or destroy of what ma? Something. Okay, so here breaking of old bond and the formation of new bond. Okay, breaking of what ma? Old bond and the formation of new bond. Okay, suppose if you are taking any type of chemical reactions, okay, the first point what point ma? Breaking of old bond and the formation of the new bond. Okay, during the chemical reaction either the energies are released or absorbed. So based on these two conditions, so we are classifying the chemical reactions. Okay, different types. Okay, exothermic reaction and endothermic reactions. So exothermic means what ma? Energies are released. Okay, here exo. Okay, absorbed means what ma? Endothermic reactions. Okay, next one, new products are formed. Okay, the old products are destroyed with the help of energy and new products are formed. Okay, usually it will happen when ma? During the type of the reactions or any type of the reactions. Okay, so next one, for example, burning petrol. For example, burning petrol. Okay, petrol contains what ma? Hydrocarbons. Okay, the hydrocarbons present in petrol, it is converted into carbon dioxide and water. So the old products are destroyed with the help of energy and new products are formed. Okay, so next topic. So what happened during the chemical reactions? What happened during the chemical reactions? During the chemical reactions. Okay, so what happened during the chemical reactions? Okay, first point. Okay, first point, rearrangement of the atoms. Okay, in a chemical reaction the atom of the reactants. Okay, in a chemical reaction the atom of the reacting molecules or elements are rearranged. Okay, rearrangement of the atom. Rearrangement of the atoms. rearrangement of the atoms. Okay, the first point. Second point, okay, breaking of what bond? Breaking of old bond and the formation of new bond. Formation of new bond. Okay, what is mean by bond ma? The connection between the two atoms with the help of electrons. Okay, so we are represented as a single line, so that is called a bond. Okay, if we want to form any bond, how many electrons we need? 2 electrons we need. Okay, already we have studied in the lower section. Okay, so breaking of old bond and the formation of new bond. Okay, so next one, bond breaking absorb the energy. Okay, either energies are absorbed or released. Absorbed or released. Absorbed or released. Okay, so during the chemical reactions, okay, rearrangement of the atoms. Rearrangement of the atom. Okay, second point, breaking of the old bond and formation of the new bond. Okay, during the chemical reaction, either the energies are absorbed or released. Okay, so next one, how to represent the chemical reaction. Okay, how to represent the chemical reaction? In what way we have to write or indicate the chemical reactions? So representation of the chemical reactions. What reaction ma? Chemical reactions. Okay, representation of chemical reaction. For example, okay, so methane, example, methane plus oxygen to give what ma? Carbon dioxide plus water. Plus water. Okay, so it is a what ma? Type of chemical reaction, or whatever may be the type of chemical reactions. Okay, look at the chemical reaction. Okay, so methane plus oxygen to give what ma? Carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, so if you are looking this chemical reaction, okay, can we get any idea about what ma? The physical state of the reactant or product. Okay, physical state of the reactant or product. What is the condition of this chemical reaction? What is the condition of what ma? Chemical reaction. What is the chemical composition of the reactant and products? Okay, so just they have written what ma? Using the letters they have written the chemical reactions. So we didn't get any information about this reactions. So we may written in the form of what ma? Formula. Okay, so we can identify how the atoms are rearranged. How the atoms are rearranged. So which atom is compared to which atoms. So instead of words, we may use formula. Okay, it is better. It is better. We will get what ma? Some idea. Some idea. Okay, so usually, so methane CH4. Okay, oxygen O2 give carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, so with the help of what ma? With the help of formula, okay, the same equation we have modified in this way. Okay, so if you are looking at the chemical reactions, okay, so the reactions we can divided into two parts. One is left hand side, another one is right hand side. Okay, so in a chemical reaction, okay, in a chemical reaction which is written in left hand side of the chemical reactions, okay, that is called reactants. It is called reactants. Okay, so in a chemical reaction which is written in right hand side, that is called product. Okay, this is called what ma? Reactant. This is called what? Product. Okay, this arrow mark indicate what ma? Direction. This arrow mark indicate what ma? Direction of the chemical reaction. Direction of the chemical reactions. Okay, the compounds are elements which undergo reactions. Okay, undergo reactions. Okay, the compound or element or substance which undergo the chemical reaction, usually it will be written where ma? Left hand side of the chemical equation. Okay, the new products usually we will write where ma? Right hand side of the chemical reaction. The arrow mark indicate what ma? Direction of the chemical reactions. Direction of the chemical reactions. So after writing these chemical reactions, how many molecules of methane, how many molecules of oxygen, okay, involved in this chemical reactions, we don't know. Okay, so if we want to find out this one, we have to balance this equation. We have to balance this equation. So how to balance these equations? How to balance this equations? Okay, here just you have to take carbon 1, here also carbon 1. Okay, here hydrogen 4, here hydrogen 2. So here we have to add 2, 4 hydrogen. 4 hydrogen. Here oxygen 2, here oxygen 2, here oxygen 2. Here 4 oxygen, here 2 oxygen. Now we may add 2. Okay, so in this way we have to balance this chemical equations. Okay, in left hand side how many atoms are involved in the chemical reaction, that should be present in right hand side also. So that equation is called what equation? Balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation. So after balancing this chemical equation, we should know, so what is the physical state of the reactant and the product. So what is mean by physical state? What is mean by physical state? Okay, already we know matter can exist in how many physical state? Solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so better we may mention the physical state of the reactant and the products. Okay, where we have to mention the physical state? Okay, in the equation. Okay, in the equation. Okay, in the equation. Okay, subscript means what ma? Down of the equations we have to write in the bracket either solid or liquid. For example, methane gas. Methane gas. Gas means G. Okay, oxygen also gas. Carbon dioxide also gas. Water sometimes gas, water vapor also, or sometimes in the form of what ma? Liquid also. Okay, so solid means we have to use small letter S, liquid means we have to use small letter L, gas means we have to use small letter G, not capital. Okay, small letter we can use instead of capital letters. Okay, so aqua solutions means AQ, small letter AQ. Aqua solutions means what ma? The substance dissolved in water. So that indicate what ma? Aqua solutions. Okay. So these are all the information about what ma? How to represent the chemical reactions or equations. Reactions are equations. Okay, next one, types of the chemical reactions. Types of the chemical reactions. Types of chemical reactions. Types of chemical reactions. So there are 5 types of chemical reactions based on the what ma? Nature of the rearrangement of the atoms. Okay, based on what? Nature of rearrangement of atoms. Rearrangement of atoms. Okay, the chemical reaction can be classified into 5 types. Okay, first one, combination reaction. First one, combination reactions, REXN. Okay, short form of the reaction. Second one, decomposition reaction. Second one, decomposition reaction. Second one, decomposition reaction. Third one, single displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction. Fourth one, double displacement reaction. Double displacement reactions. Okay. Fifth one, combustion reaction. Fifth one, combustion reactions. Okay, there are 5 types of chemical reactions based on what ma nature of the rearrangement of the atom. First one, combination reaction. Second one, decomposition reaction. Third one, single displacement reaction. Fourth one, double displacement reaction. Fifth one, combustion reactions. Okay, so first one we will see what is mean by combination reactions. So the chemical reaction based on what ma nature of the rearrangement of the atom. Okay, first one, combination reaction. So what is mean by combination reactions? When two or more reactions or when one or more reactants combine to give one new substance or new compound. Okay, that is called what ma? The type of chemical reaction is called combination reactions. So first one, combination reaction. Combination reaction. So what is mean by combination reaction? A combination reaction is a reaction in which two or more reactants combine to give a new compound. Okay, so the type of reactions are called combination reactions. Okay, the combination reactions, what is the other name of combination reaction? Synthesis reaction. Synthesis reactions are, okay, synthesis reactions are composition reaction. Synthesis reactions are composition reactions. Okay, synthesis reactions are composition reaction. Okay, how to represent the combination reaction? So A plus B give what ma? AB. Okay, A plus B give what? AB. Okay, when two or more reactants combine to give a new compound. Or new substance. Okay, the type of reactions are called combination reactions or synthesis reaction or composition reactions. For example, hydrogen and chlorine. Hydrogen and chlorine to give. Okay, it is an example of what ma? Combination reaction. Okay, combination reactions. Okay, both reactants also gaseous form. Okay, gaseous form. Okay, depending upon the chemical nature of the reaction, combination reactions can be classified into 3 types. Okay, 3 types. Okay, so what are the 3 types? Okay, based on what ma? Nature of the chemical reaction. Okay, combination reactions can be classified into 3 types. Okay, one is element plus element. Give what? Compound. Okay, here element plus compound give compound. Here compound plus compound give compound. Okay, the short form of the compound I have written what ma? CPD. Okay, so element plus element is equal to compound. Element plus compound is equal to compound. Compound plus compound is equal to compound. Okay, so first one we will see the example, element plus element. Okay, so in this type of combination reactions, 2 elements react with each other to form what ma? Compound. Okay, either metal with non-metal or non-metal. Okay, both the reactions also may be in non-metal. Okay, maybe in non-metal. So first category, subdivision. Okay, element plus element give compound. Okay, element plus element give compound. Okay, for example, sulfur plus oxygen give sulfur dioxide gaseous form. This also gas. Okay. Sulfur solid form. Sulfur what ma? Solid form. Oxygen gaseous form. Sulfur dioxide gaseous form. Okay. Both the reactants are the examples of non-metal. Both the reactions are the examples of non-metal. The same way, sodium metal, chlorine to give what ma? Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride solid form. Okay. Solid here gas. Solid and gas. Okay. Metal, non-metal compound. Okay. Here. Okay. Non-metal compound. Okay. So these four reactants are the examples of what ma? Element plus element. Element plus element. Okay. Next one. Element plus compound give compound. Okay. Element plus compound give compound. Okay. For example, compound phosphorus trichloride. Okay. Element chlorine give compound PCl5. Phosphorus pentachloride. Okay. Element plus compound is equal to what ma? Compound. Okay. Third one. Compound plus compound give compound. Okay. Don't write in this way CPD. You have to write in the full form, compound form. For example, calcium oxide plus silicon dioxide to give calcium silicate CaSiO3. CaSiO3. Calcium oxide also it is an example of compound. Silicon dioxide also is an example of compound to give what ma? Calcium silicate. Okay. So these are all the examples of what ma? Different types of combination reaction or synthesis reaction or what reaction ma? Composition reaction. So most of the combination reactions are exothermic in nature. So exothermic reactions means what ma? During the chemical reaction, heat energies are released. Okay, because they involve in the formation of new bond. Okay, which release the huge amount of the energy in the form of heat. Okay, so thank you children. Today class is over. Okay, the remaining type of chemical reactions we will see in the next class. Okay, so up to third portion you have to revise thoroughly. Okay, for tomorrow evening one more test. Okay, so thank you children. Thank you.